first thing you do, you're gonna need to remove the serpentine belt. So loosen it up because you don't know that's connected. The alternator is connected to it. The reason why I removed my intake over here because I'm gonna remove my pump. Because what happened is that you see there is oil. See there is a lot of oil here. The pump blew out and it spilled oil down in the alternator and messed up the alternator. So yeah, two of them really will get replaced. So I'm not replacing this yet because I'm waiting for a big old 24, which I don't have. So yeah. Alright, so under the carrier now. And look how I got. See the alternator, yeah? So much oil left on it. So the tools we're not gonna need and we're not gonna pull. A second. So you have a 12mm right here, 12mm right there, and you have another 12 right there. So 1, 2, 3 we're gonna pull, and after you pull that, we go up more, and we have some. So this, let me see if I can see. I see this right here, this. I'm gonna power line that, and then we have 2 8mm, 2 8mm right beside it. 2 8mm right beside it. After that, then we'll just take it out just like that. So, and yeah, it's easy breezy, man. So we're gonna remove the clips them first, which is these thing out of the way. See what I'm going? Yeah. And the tool we're gonna need, as I say, you're gonna need a 12 and an 8mm. That's it. Alright? Yeah, man. So let's get right into it. That's cracked. Crack the next one. Problem with that one there. Yeah, I should put some double D there. Yeah, give you a problem there. Pure oil. Up some of the B files on it, you know. Alright, I'll cut the video because I don't want to give a problem. I must resume it after I pull this bolt. Alright, folks. So, take out the bolt. I pull them. See there? This was the first 2 bolts I'm going to show you with in the video. Take them off. At the back I did show and say, oh, we have this right here. See if you can see. See if you can see what I want. So I'm going to pull that. The thing I'm telling you about and the 2 8mm bolt them. Just 3 bolts at the back only. So this is the ground, which is a power, and the 2 8mm them. And then you have a clippings on the alternator right here. There's lighting on the camera right now, so I don't think you can get to see them wipe off the camera. Hold on. Get a little wipe off. Alright. Yeah, there's a clip right here you see it hang out. That there, right there, so it's a clip. So we can clip it to live and show you this. Right away. Limit space for the record on your son. Alright, take it out. There it is. See it? This come out of the alternator. So all the wires are disconnected right now. The 2 8mm at the back, which is, let me see if I can show you. There it is, you have visual there. So 1, see it right there, so that on my finger point, and there's another one right there, so 2, and then this right there, see? That's a ground. Alright, so that's it. So we have 1 more bolt and then the alternator can pop right out. That 1 bolt is a 12 right here. We'll put some WD-40 on the kite now and pull this. So once I pull this now, alternator gonna just come right out. Yeah man, so alright. I'm gonna pull a bolt there, that give me a problem and pull a bolt then my video when me I take out the alternator. Yeah man, so after that you just dry it out. Yeah man. Just like that. Yeah, so that's how you do it folks, you see me? Alternator. Come let them fix it. And thing. Yeah man.